Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Learn how to easily incorporate one of the latest cake trends to decorate any cake into this beautiful Christmas comic cake, a fun cartoonish effect for your Christmas cake design. Roll out brown fondant mixed with Tylose powder to about 8 mm thick, then cut out gingerbread men shapes. Insert a skewer or wire dipped in water. Then outline the cutouts with black buttercream. Leaving a few gaps between the outline enhances the comic cartoon effect. When ready, leave to dry. For the Christmas trees, roll out green fondant mixed with Tylose powder to about 8 mm thick, then cut out Christmas tree shapes. For the tree trunk, stick a small piece of brown fondant with water and then stick on a little star sprinkle. Insert a wire or skewer dipped in water, and then outline the cutouts with black buttercream. When ready, leave to dry. Layer a cake as you normally would and crumb coat with white buttercream frosting. When ready, place in the refrigerator until firm to the touch. Then cover the cake in a layer of red buttercream frosting. To get smooth sides with sharp edges, use a palette knife that has been dipped in hot water. Wipe off any excess of buttercream from the plate or board and then add a border of Christmas sprinkles. Pipe out a drip effect using buttercream frosting. Fill in the design, then smooth down with a knife that has been dipped in hot water. Outline with black buttercream. Remember that leaving a few gaps between the lines enhances the comic cartoon look. When the outlines are complete, insert the dried fondant cutouts. And there you have it, a fun take on a Christmas cake design. Thank you so much for watching to the end. See you next time.